Solar eclipse brings along with it energetic shifts, emotional tides, and turbulence. 8th April is a solar eclipse everywhere. How do you handle these chaotic energetic shifts? Hi, this is Akanksha. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. And if you are returning, welcome again. Please do like, comment, share. Keep the energy of knowledge flowing. This is like an energy exchange. So solar eclipse is the time when a lot of emotional tides happen. Lot of underlying tension or suppressed emotions kind of come to the surface to get released. This is the time when you need to maintain awareness as to what is happening. There may be so many things happening. You may experience body ache, pains, you may experience different dreams, you may experience intense emotions and different kind of energies. You may get triggered. You need to be aware of all the energetic shifts and all the turbulence that is happening. It is all happening because everything is kind of coming to surface to get released. How do you then handle these chaotic energetic shifts? So I'm going to talk about one of the best ways or remedies to handle these energetic shifts, especially during the eclipse. That is sound therapy and chanting. So you can use sound bowls, you can use singing bowls, chimes, or calming music to cleanse and renew the energy in your space, in your home, or wherever you are. Chanting mantras is very, very effective, and even Om can purify and create harmonious environment. Ancient Sanskrit chants have powerful sound vibrations that create impact on various levels. It can soothe you physically, mentally, emotionally. That is why chanting and sound therapy are excellent tools to reduce stress, evoke positive emotions, and relax yourself. I have talked a lot about this in my book, The Untold Legend Rise of a Mother. So if you would like to get a copy of that, the link is provided in the description below. There are a lot of studies that have shown that exposure to music and sound can help in relaxation of mind. Our soul's essence has a certain frequency, a core soul frequency, and that gets expressed through the sound of your voice. So there is a science behind these frequencies, how they impact your mind, how they impact the environment and overall health and well-being. There are different frequencies for different purposes. So you may have heard 432 hertz, 528 hertz, 741 hertz. So these are different frequencies, and you can listen to soothing, calming music, or even if you go in nature and listen to the sound of water, that also is very, very calming and relaxing and soothing. Chanting is very beneficial for converting the lower vibration, toxic negative energies into higher vibration positive energies. And if you would like to learn chanting, I have created a course. This is the highest rated course. I have received a lot of love for this course from people across the world. I'm providing the link below. So I would love for you to go and check that out. It's good to do sound healing, sound therapy, chanting and meditation during the solar eclipse time. So thank you for being here and co-creating the energies of higher vibrations with me. Lots of love.